Hello beautiful people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Be Your Best with JK. So today's video is going to be really amazing and it's going to be my hair care routine which I actually follow. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to tell you my honest hair care routine which I am following from past just 2 years, you can say. I guess, yeah, I can say it's 2 years. So it's a proper routine which is a basic one, and I think everyone should be aware about it, but nobody follows it properly. But I hope my routine can help someone. So let's start. So I just follow 3-step hair care routine, which is N, C and P and C. So this is N is for nourishment, C is for cleansing, and P and C for protect and care. So first step is nourishment. Nourishment is really important for your hair care. If you can't nourish your hair will be dry, frizzy, your hair form will be there, split ends, problem, whatnot. There will be lots of problems for your hair. Doesn't matter your hair or scalp are oily, dry, sensitive, normal, etc. You need to nourish your hair every time you just before washing your hair. So what I do to nourish my hair, I just apply my DIY oil. The first video on my YouTube channel is my DIY magical hair oil. I just regularly apply it at least once in a week, or if I get the time, I just apply it twice or thrice in a week. That's it. So I just apply hair oil just twice or thrice in a week just a few months ago, but now I just also apply hair mask in between. So my current hair care routine is once in a week hair oil, DIY magical hair oil. Second is hair mask. Any hair mask, I just use lots of homemade natural hair mask rather than any chemical one, and they provide just deep nourishment to my hair, and they make my hair soft, silky, manageable, and yet strongest. So this is the trick and my secret to my healthy hair. So through which I have no hair fall at this point. You can see no hair fall at all. No hair fall at all. So this is the reason most of the people say we don't want to use that natural mask and all that things, but they are the key ingredients to provide that extra strength to your hair. So second thing is cleansing. I just use shampoos which are sulfate free, parabens free, cruelty free. What is this? Cruelty free. So these are the shampoos. Whenever you have to purchase a shampoo, just check the ingredients, and if they contain SLS, parabens, cruelty, if they have anything from these, just skip them and just find out any good shampoo. And if you want some recommendations from my side and something, do let me know in the comments down. I will definitely bring a video on them and how can you find the shampoo which is really good for you, and some basic or budget shampoos for all of you in the Indian market available right now or online also. So let me know in the comments down. So this is the second step of cleansing. Third step is protect and care. So most of the people just use conditioner after the shampoo, but I never use conditioner because whenever I use starting conditioner, my hair fall was increased. My hair became so thin that I was like, okay, this much, I have just this much. Okay, just I will take a stand and tell you, I have just this much hair left, only this much hair left on my head, and I was embarrassed a lot. So if you have to use conditioner, use only on length. And for protect and care, I used serum, just 2 to 3 drops of serum for my entire length, not on scalp, for my entire length. And when they are wet, just wet, and after that I will not apply serum. Yep, if you have to use any heat on your hair, just use heat protecting spray before applying heat to your hair, because they will damage it extent. And if you have dry hair, I will recommend not to use hair products, sorry, heat products that much, because they will make your hair really worse. Because dry hair tends to just damage easily. I have dry hair. I had dry hair 3 years ago, and I was really frustrated from suffering from them. So yeah, these are the simple tricks which I follow, and this is the simple hair care routine which actually you need to follow. Just apply oil or any mask for your hair nourishment, and then clean it properly with any SLS free, sulfate free, cruelty free and parabens free shampoo, and then protect your hair from outer heats. If you have to go outside, just cover your head or hair with any cloth or something, with whatever can protect your hair. Or one more thing, use the chemicals as less as possible, because as much as you use them, they will make your hair worse. So just lose them. And one more thing, do not take stress. If you take stress, they will definitely make your hair worse. So these are some simple tricks and tips, and most of the things I actually just tend to follow and just share it with all of you. Whatever helps me or suits me, I just keep on sharing with all of you. So I hope this video helped all of you. If it helped, let me know in the comments down. And if you have any questions, or if you have any queries, and if you got any point from my video, and you want any information or knowledge or any video on it, let me know in the comments down. I definitely read your comments, and will love to read them and will love to reply to them. And definitely, if I get any time in any comment, if I love, I definitely make video on it. And this video was a recommendation from my subscriber, and she DM'd me that you should also follow you should also tell your hair care routine which you actually follow. So this is my simple hair care routine, my DIY magical oil, simple shampoos, just knowledge. So this is the basic one. You just need to be careful and take care of yourself. So hope this video helped. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all, and hope to meet you soon. Bye bye.